So this is going to be a very simple, straightforward video, I know, about small business inventory, and that's it. So, there's a lot of things that get thrown at you, a lot of considerations to make when it comes to inventory and your business. Landed costs, purchase orders, sales orders, net in, net out, first in, first out, ABCs of inventory, lean manufacturing, vendor costs.
Inventory metrics, reporting, cycle counts. I mean, there's inventory planning, there's safety stock, there's stock outs, there's FDA compliance, there's traceability, there's also scrapping, net 30 on your payments. I mean, you've got bill of materials, and don't forget you got labor costs, and then those labor costs go into the total inventory and the cost of the good, time and labor. And what if Chad doesn't show up to work? He never shows up on time.
So yeah, there's a lot. And sometimes there's almost too much information out there. For right now, we're gonna break it into 3 things, and that's it. First, what is coming in? That's as simple as the shipments you're receiving, big or small. What are you doing with it? How are you accounting for it? Meaning, if you purchased 4 items, do you have 4 items? And do you know where to put it? That's it. You know what's coming in. And then as a very small addendum, know where you're going to put it and try to be consistent with that. Second, know what you have on hand, how much, and where. Again, super simple, but these are the basics that really break a company sometimes when they lose control of their inventory management. Be consistent in how you put your stuff away, where it goes, and how you track it. Are you seeing a pattern here? And 3, know what is going out. Because I think you're in business to make money, meaning someone has paid you for something that you're going to send to them. So make sure you do that. Yes, there's lots of ways to streamline your picking and your packing and your shipping and getting better freight, etc. But it really comes down to these 3 simple things of knowing what's coming in, knowing what you have, and knowing what is going out. As simple as this all sounds, it all comes down to your ability to track, manage, monitor, whatever word that you want to use, but your ability to know where your stuff is. So start simple, using a spreadsheet or some kind of dedicated notebook. I mean, it sounds really rudimentary, but it really is that basic of making sure that you're keeping track of all your information. Now, I obviously am going to recommend that you use a software solution that can grow with you so that you're starting on the right foot from the very get-go. But I'm biased, and that's okay. But at the end of the day, know this about your inventory for your small business. Know what is coming in, know what you have and where, and know what is going out. If you can answer those 3 things with 95% certainty on a consistent basis, you're good. Everything else is extra. Everything else are things that you can learn. Start with that and move on from there. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.